Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to paint 100 of screw. So we're working on our kitchen cabinet, so we're kind of remodeling, and we didn't want to throw away our knobs and hinge and the pulls. Because if we choose a new one, maybe the hole will not set in, and we just didn't want to buy a new one, so we wanted to repurpose them. So here comes the question: how we use the screw that came out from the knob. As you can see, the screws. We need to paint them. So how can we paint them all at a time? So there's two ways, and I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna show you. First, I can put all of them in one pot like this and paint on them. I'm using I'm using Miracle black gloss color spray enamel, fast dry. So I'm gonna spray on the screw. So like this. I can do this. Now after a while, you need to move them a little bit and spray again. In this way you will lose, so the waste of paint will be less, and then you just have to change the position of the screw a little bit, and then respray again. Also, there is another way if you only worry about the top or the head of the screw, because rest of the screw is going to back into the cabinet, repainted cabinet again. So you can just put all those screw in a thin corrugated paper like I did here, so all the heads are facing upward. So I'm gonna just paint on top of the heads. So you see, with one blow all the heads are painted. There is a little gap here. Yeah, there you go. So all heads are painted, so we don't have to worry about the body because it's gonna go back to. So my painting is done. Let me know how did you like my idea of painting the screws all together. I need to say that before, when I took this screw off from my kitchen cabinet, some of them were greasy, and there was paint from previous painting. So I took all this screw, put it in a box, plastic box, and with baking soda, and then I put a little warm water on top of them, and then left it for hours, so that I also used some vinegar, any type of vinegar. I mixed with the water and baking soda, so all grease came off from the screw, and then this is how I painted. So let me know if you like my ideas, or if you have a better idea. Let me know. Thank you.